Do you want to learn how to rename a chat on DeepSeek AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. To rename a chat on DeepSeek AI, first open up deepseek.com on your browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, type in something in the message field or create a new chat. And if you have a chat history on the left-hand side and you want to rename the chat like this one, just click on these three dots and you're going to find rename and delete. Click on rename and then you can rename this chat. So I can say like this and just press on enter on your keyboard and it's going to rename this chat just like that. Now let's move over to the mobile version and I will show you how to do the same thing inside the mobile app. Now open up DeepSeek AI mobile app. Inside it, you can message the DeepSeek AI. And now if you want to rename the chat, like currently it says hello on the top, and I want to rename this, I will click on the top left, these two lines, and then I will find this in the chat history, this hello again. Now I will click and hold this to get these two options. First one is rename, second one is delete. I'm going to click on rename. And now I can rename the chat. Type in something over here and then click on done. And just like that, you have now renamed the chat on DeepSeek Mobile. And that's it. This is how to rename a chat on DeepSeek AI Mobile and browser. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.